You don't have to choose between peace and profit. That's the lie I believed for the longest time. I had to grind, push, and sacrifice to earn anything meaningful. But I learned something different, and that's the difference was the beginning of freedom. I started using a digital system, not to get rich quick, but to get my time and my life back. This system gave me a clear offer, automation I didn't have to build, mentorship and community that actually cared as we are all on the same journey. That's amazing. And it wasn't just about income. It gave me back my energy, my mornings, my moments, and my life. That's when I realized this isn't about quitting everything. It's about building differently and smarter. I stopped chasing people. Thank goodness. I stopped explaining myself. I stopped trying to be everywhere. Now I attract the right people by showing up as me. As I've learned about attraction marketing, which is outstanding, with a system that delivers value, runs 24/7, and gives me space to live. If you've ever thought burnout was just part of the deal, I want you to know it's not. You can earn, you can rest, and you can breathe again. And it all starts with a decision to build something that works for you 24/7, only a couple hours a day, plus earn 100% profit. Drop freedom if you're ready to experience that shift for yourself and family. If you missed part 1 or 2 of this series, go back. Those videos are actually the foundation to this mini series. You deserve a business that supports your life, not one that replaces it. Comment freedom, and I'll send you all the details I follow daily. It's actually a blessing.